share predicates together. Okay. And I think that's the only other tricky thing in the entire chapter. So are there any questions about any of this gobbledygook? Okay. So let me just make it clear what you should understand. You should understand homework 2.1, which was very simple translations. You should understand homework 2.2, which is determining whether something is a substitution instance or not. You should understand 2.3, oh no, not 2.3, we skipped 2.3. You should understand 2.4. I give you a translation, you tell me if it is a well-formed formula or not, and if it is, you identify the main logical operator, and then I won't give you stuff like 2.5, they'll be in the form of 2.6. So you, first step, put in those statement constants and then do the translation from there, okay? 2.1, they were very simple. The test will include some from like 2.1, but more like 2.6. And 2.7, 2.8, 2.9, whatever else is left, that's just extra work, so that's not part of what you need to know for the test. Yes?
What's the question?
Okay, the quiz is open, so you can look at it and see if you think that you're sure about doing it, and you can actually submit it, but right now there's no technical due date because we have to see what happens with this hurricane, right? It could be the case that it strengthens and lots of people are displaced for a long time, or it comes, right now it's supposed to head east of us, but it could change its track and could hit us smack dab on, and we don't know if McNeese is going to be up and operational. It's happened before. Whatever the case, know this, the class will continue, if not in person, online. Does everybody understand that? And McNeese will signal when we are back and up and running, at least online, if not in person. So you can expect me to be out there posting to the Moodle pages, right? If, however, you are really displaced, damaged, or whatnot by the hurricane, I've been homeless because of these things for lots of times, just be in contact with me, right? And say, look, we got worked over by the hurricane. I can't get back to my studies right now. I'll note that, and then you let me know when you're able to come back to start working on stuff, and we will figure out a plan to make it work for you. Does everybody understand that? Just communicate with me if for some reason you can't return when McNeese says, hey, we're back. Yes?
The test. When's the test due? You don't know?
We gotta wait and see how this plays out. Generally, I like you to take the quiz and give you feedback on the quiz before I assign you the test, right? So everything's being backed up until I can ask for the quiz, right? Right now it's assigned. You have all of the understanding required to do it. You have all the understanding required to do the test as well. But we're gonna wait for the all clear, then we'll get the quiz done and reviewed, and then I'll give you the test and we'll do that, right? So, and then we'll start into the next chapter. And are there any other questions? Okay, so be safe. Don't struggle to get back here if you're dealing with some family or personal emergencies because of the hurricane. Just be in contact with me, and life happens, we'll work it out. All right? All right. Take care. See you when I see you.